Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can make money with Steam Banana Game. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the Banana Game on Steam and explore how you can potentially make money from this unique clicker game. Now, before we get started, let me just say that while the game offers an interesting way to engage with the Steam marketplace, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and a good understanding of the risks involved. The basic premise of the game is pretty straightforward. You click on a banana image to accumulate clicks, which eventually leads to the generation of banana skins in your inventory. These skins vary in rarity, and you can sell them on the Steam marketplace for real money. Now, you might be thinking, wow, that sounds like a great way to make some extra cash. And you're not wrong, but it's important to keep in mind that the actual financial returns for most players are likely to be minimal. You see, the game encourages community involvement, with players contributing designs for banana skins. This aspect has helped maintain interest in the game, despite its simplistic mechanics. Well, the truth is, most skins sell for only a few cents, and the potential for rare skins can attract players hoping to make a profit. But the main point is, yes, you can make money with the Banana Game by selling banana skins on the Steam marketplace. So that's basically how you can make money with Steam Banana Game. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.